suction first.
It's going to tickle, okay? And it might be a little loud, but it doesn't hurt. You're going to watch the wax get sucked up.
Let's see how soft or hard it is. It's pretty hard. Suction's not going to work.
Yep.
Now he's going to take a little pick and pick it out.
It's just loosening it.
Uh-huh.
You could grow potatoes in there. Or green beans.
Okay, you ready? You're going to feel it moving around in there, okay?
If it hurts, just say ouch. Try not to move, okay?
That doesn't hurt.
Yeah, I didn't think it would.
Well, we got it.
Isn't it fun to watch?
Now he's going to get the alligator. Here comes the alligator.
Jump, jump,
Chomp.
jump, jump.
Chomp. He took a bite.
Oh.
The alligator took a bite. You're doing great. Now he's got to pick again. He has to loosen it up for the alligator.
Mm-hmm. Now the alligator comes.
Not yet. A little more picking.
There's purple in it.
There it goes.
O-M-G.
You're doing great. It looks so much bigger on the TV screen than it really is.
Yeah, it's really small when you don't put the thing in.
It's being magnified. Do you know what magnified means?
No.
It makes it 10 times bigger than what it really is. Here comes the alligator.
Chomp.
Jump, jump.
Got it.
Piece by piece.
Chomp that. Oh, hopefully mine.
Is it tickling?
No. Oh, that's a big chomp.
You didn't get it.
Jump, jump.
Now he came out. Oh. Does that feel better?
Taking that one home to
Yeah.
Daddy.
Oh yeah, that wasn't as big as mine.
No, it wasn't? Compare. Ooh.
There's your eardrum.
Well, that's a pretty eardrum.
There's your eardrum.
A couple more pieces of stuff in there. We'll get those out. Hold there. So there's a lot of dryness, so easy thing to do is just some earwax softening drops or mineral oil or witch hazel oil, a lot of different, just virgin olive oil can work just to keep it moist,
Good job.
maybe once or twice a month.
You're a very brave young man. Not too many guys your age can sit through this.
I had a 19-year-old in here today
It
that couldn't do
hurts
it.
in the
Couldn't do
mouth.
Even adults can't do what you're doing.
Yep. And he's only 4.
And he's only 4.
I
You should have been here with the 19-year-old. You
Here
would
you
have
go.
shamed him into holding still.
All right, here comes.
Yep.
He's like a little dwarf going to work in the mines, picking out the wax.
I don't think I've ever been called a dwarf.
Well,
No
A
one
tall
has ever
dwarf.
compared me to a dwarf before.
I was just thinking of the dwarfs. Hi ho, it's off to work we go.
Jump.
So, got a big piece out.
Mhm.
Little one,
There's
that
another
one.
good one coming.
Yeah, there's a big one coming. Jump.
It's too round for it.
Mhm.
See an edge right there. Might be able to hook that edge.
You okay? Doing okay?
Almost
Okay,
done.
hold still there.
Here it goes.
You poor baby. Can you hear better now? Can you hear me any different than before?
Wait till you see that piece.
That one I have to take home, Lynn. Don't
Okay.
No garbage for that one.
All right.
Yes.
Perfect for the scrapbook. This is his curly hair when he was a baby.
Yeah, and here's his first year.
Here's his massive earplugs.
2 teeth and 1 on the bottom.
Yeah, and now look at all the teeth you have.
I have a lot of teeth.
Yes, you do.